Say goodbye to your glasses and improve your sight with this amazing recipe. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: aloe juice, aloe arborescens -100 grains. Crushed walnuts -500 grains. Pure honey -300 grains. Lemon juice, 3-4 pieces. Preparation method. The aloe vera juice should be made first. You do this by picking the lower, middle and upper leaves, leave the top of the plant as well as the remaining 3 to 4 leaves. You should then use boiled water that has been cooled at room temperature to wash the leaves. Take off the spikes, then chop the leaves into small bits. You can strain the aloe juice using a double gauze. Filatov however recommends that you should not chop the leaves at once but rather should be kept on a plate and refrigerated for a period of 10 to 12 days. He figured that by doing this you will be able to trigger the biogen stimulators that awakens the aloe cells. You should then wash the leaves and proceed with the procedure. Instructions: you should consume the solution 30 minutes before a meal and 3 times daily. You should consume the solution until you notice improvement in your eyesight. Note: aloe vera juice is also great for sufferers of hemorrhoids, tuberculosis, cardiovascular issues, kidney disease, gastrointestinal tract problems, female reproductive organ inflammation, and so on, making it a truly beneficial plant to the human body.